Welcome to GeoIQ NoCode ML, world's first automated ML platform with inbuilt feature store. The NoCode ML platform has been designed to help you identify attributes that add value to your use case. It requires minimal effort and builds custom model scores with ease. Here are the steps: upload data, exploratory data analysis, model creation, model validation, and model summary and deployment. Let us see how the platform works. To begin, click on Add Dataset and select the file. The file must contain either an address or a latitude-longitude column and a target variable. It should be in CSV format. You can choose to keep the file name or assign an appropriate name to the dataset. Select the target variable, it should be binary value, and assign a positive class for the target variable. If the dataset contains only addresses, enable the geocoding required checkbox and select the address field. If the file contains geocoordinates, select the latitude-longitude columns. The platform will create an identifier column if not defined by the user. You can choose to add additional columns to the model. In this case, we have added user's age. Click Review Dataset to check status of the upload and details about rows, columns, and definitions. Now your data is ready for processing. Sit back and relax while the data gets uploaded. You will receive an email notification once the upload is complete. Once the data is ready, head on to the Exploratory Data Analysis tab. This section gives a summary of univariate analysis for each of the 6,000 plus GeoIQ attributes. Sort them by different measures of importance or impact from the top panel here. You can also bookmark attributes and create custom lists or add them to a pre-existing list. These lists can be viewed later in your Categories tab on the left sidebar. The first model is created by default when a dataset is uploaded. You can then choose to create additional models for experimentation. The details of the created model can be accessed in the Model Summary tab. This section gives an overview of the dataset and model stats. Metrics such as AUC, KS-max, and IV are available. Just beneath it, you can see the lift chart and the ROC curve. You can change the threshold cutoff value to maximize the metric that is best suited for your use case, such as F1 score, sensitivity, or specificity. Next, the Feature Impact section lists all the features selected in the model. Here, 309 features have been used to build the model. If you look on the right panel, the frequent value chart shows the behavior of the DV rate with respect to the chosen attribute. In this case, the DV rate increases with an increase in number of rented households as opposed to number of owned households. The conclusion drawn here is that the users with a rented house are more likely to churn. Finally, below is the gains table showcasing the separation across buckets. You can also validate the model on a completely new sample dataset. Once you have validated the model results and are ready to use the model, deploy the model in a single click on the Deploy and Test section. You will find the API documentation and the endpoint and other details on the same tab. If you wish to know more about GeoIQ and our solutions, please write to us at support@geoiq.io.